meteorologist, McCall Vrydaghs, is a busy woman tracking for tomorrow, tracking for the weekend.
Yeah, there's a lot of things. 3 bullet points. We've got a storm system that comes in tomorrow. It's going to lead to a messy morning commute. Then we've got the weekend storm that everybody's talking about. And then after that, we were talking about this earlier, after that, the cold. I think it's going to be a really big story for us as we get into early next week. First, let's start with tomorrow's system. You can see it's moving in from the west. We've got snow showers ongoing in Minnesota, Iowa, and northern parts of Missouri. That storm system is going to be running into cold air initially on the onset of tomorrow morning, so we do expect that we're going to be tracking snow. But as we start to warm back up tomorrow afternoon, may start to see some rain mixing in with that snow as well. We're at 33 degrees now. We have a southerly wind flow that does give you a wind chill factor, making it feel like the upper 20s. That's where our temperature is expected to fall tonight, down to about 27 degrees. Cold enough to make that snow, but not so cold that it wouldn't take a few degrees to warm above freezing to see some of that wintry precipitation changing over to perhaps some sleet and freezing rain at times. So here's Futurecast for Thursday. Pay attention to this if you're going to be up early tomorrow morning. As we get towards sunrise, snow showers start to move in from the west and southwest. They're 7:30 a.m. Snow showers are going to become widespread, perhaps even steady, through about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. But watch as the warmer air starts to move in from the south. By the middle part of the day, while the precipitation lightens up a bit, we also start to notice that some of that warmer air is changing that precipitation over to some rain. We'll be tracking some rain showers through most of the area for the second half of the afternoon, with a little bit of some light snowfall still left over up across the far north. Those areas are where we expect to see the highest snowfall. We'll start to dry out as we get towards tomorrow evening, and then after midnight tomorrow night, may see a few flurries or some snow showers moving back in as winds start to become more northwesterly, pulling in some colder air. Snowfall estimates not very high, but enough that it does have an impact on the roadways. About a half an inch to perhaps an inch to nearly 2 inches across those far northern cities as you stay mainly snow throughout the day tomorrow. Travel forecast tomorrow is going to be a messy one in the morning. It'll improve for lunchtime into the evening because temperatures will warm and we get those crews out to help treat those roads a lot better. Weekend storm, everyone's talking about this. Let's be real, this storm system is still offshore. Once it moves on land, we can launch those weather balloons up into the storm. We'll get more data that's fed into those models, and that will really help us to predict the timing and placement and snowfall accumulations for the weekend. Until it moves on shore, which comes in on Thursday and early Friday, really our models are just at this point trying to take historical data and come up with a solution. So I wouldn't really look at any snowfall totals that you've seen on any other media outlets at this point as to what we're expecting this weekend. Wait until late tomorrow, early Friday. We'll give you a better idea for that. But it does show that by Saturday morning, this system's going to move in. We're going to be tracking some snow and then a wintry mix perhaps across our southern counties, then changing to snow as it starts to pull to the east. It is going to bring some strong winds with it, and those winds are coming out of the northwest. Look at our projected wind chills Sunday into Monday. Saturday afternoon, we've got wind chills in the 20s with that storm system in place. There's Sunday morning, wind chills below zero, and those wind chills stay below zero for more than 24 hours all the way into Monday morning. In fact, Monday morning's wind chills could be 10 to 15 below zero. We'll see wind chills in the single digits Monday afternoon, and likely they're going to fall back below zero into Tuesday morning as well. So we've got a lot going on here. Thursday's going to be messy, especially in the morning hours. We'll get a little quiet weather Friday, and then Saturday's storm system again. We'll get the latest info late tomorrow into early Friday. It'll start to dry up as we get into Sunday, but then there's that cold air into the early part of next week. Tune in tomorrow morning. Meteorologist Kirsty Zantini is going to have the latest, and she'll be tracking that snow as it's moving through for your morning drive.
The government shutdown impacts agencies across the country. Now it could hit sports. How the Super Bowl could be affected if they don't reach a deal on Capitol Hill.
Storm Center 7, the fastest weather alerts to keep you safe. The Double Deep HIO TV app. It's absolutely free, and it's available right now on your smart TV and streaming devices. Just search Double Deep HIO on your Apple TV, Roku, or Amazon Fire. Stream coverage you can count on free anytime with the Double Deep HIO TV app.